Put the lime in the coconut and twist it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and twist it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and twist it all up. Twist it all up. Twist it all up. Everybody in the party, hold your cup high, move your body. If you twist it, scream it loudly. Hey, 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 hey. Coconut juice got me real loose like, got me leaning 3,000 roof like. Coconut juice all on the dance floor. Fellas, let your ladies go. Ladies, let your fellas come back. Went straight to the club, entrance, no charge, cause we late to the club. Yes, we'll stand in the club. GD.
So my bike, after it's been prime, it's gonna be black. It's a fit. It's a vanhoman frame. These are all my new bike parts. I just opened the box. So right here should be my duo road status seat. Oh my god. Look at that. The purple and black. The guns going across it. Look at that. It's pivotal. Alright. We got the kink stump pivotal seat post. It's a 75mm. Then my free gift, and then the double-sided nylon, mesh bag. No, this is the S&M and Fit gyro tabs, which I probably won't use because my bike is retarded. The Oddysey Aaron Ross grips right there. Aaron Ross. Look really cool. I can't wait to use this. Mechanic bottom bracket, mid. Here's my mechanic half-track stuff. Oh yeah, and I got an FSA Impact integrated headset. Here's my nearly almost complete bike. The grips on it. My new headset, if you can see that. My newly painted forks. Obviously my new frame. The seat. Except the cranks the spindle is so retarded, it doesn't even fit over the or fit inside of my bearings. I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, it doesn't even fit inside of my bearings. So I'm gonna get that checked out.